story that are quite similar with mine, right? So you talk in ways that have not been touched in a long time. Yes. Yes. When you talked about your mom too and the closeness to your mom, that was the kind of relationship I shared with my mom as well, you know. And I also tragically lost her. But you enjoy your mom because your mom got to 60, mine was 58. So you have 2 years advantage. Now, I'm feeling like because you made us pay respect to your mom and all our loved ones, your mom and our mom forever now will feel you. Give my man say, see my cousin. So if I'm not doing for my mind, my mom will feel bad, you know. So I don't want to clap for my mom there. Thank you. Thank you. I've not done this type before on this scale, you know. I'm used to just performing, right? But it's this size, so people should manage me. And I told Pastor Sam, see, I came with my notebook and everything. Pastor Sam said, oh, Zion, that's anything I forget, I should just crack you. In my mind, I say, when I say Pastor Sam, no, we can't choose one. May God not go strike me here. So, I'll, I'll behave. And in case I'm loose guarding, once soon I just shout, hey, I will stop, okay? All right, all right. Mind shift. Mind shift. I've, I've always been fascinated by how the mind works, right? So this area I delved into today, what the things I'm going to talk about, I'm very happy I chose this area because I want to talk about us as individuals and what we're capable of. But luckily for us, um, Miss Folake spoke in that regard, right? So we are going to tell us some stories. Let me start with some stories. Because like I said, I've been fascinated about how the mind works. And the more I delve into this topic, the more I realize that 45 minutes cannot deal with the topic. One whole day cannot deal with the topic. 1 year cannot deal with the topic. Do you know why? The mind is designed to just be thinking and shifting. One is we cannot exhaust this topic as a matter of fact. But you see, like I said, from a very young age, I've been fascinated about the mind and how it works. When I was 17, story number one. When I was 17 years, my mom took me to a revival service. It was the third year in a row we were going for that service. After the service, I told my mom that there's a prayer they prayed, but I'm never going to pray again. She said, which prayer is that? I said, they say we should pray to break the chain of generational curses. She said, I said, yes. I prayed it when I was 15, prayed it when I was 16. This year now, I'm 17, I'm praying it again. She said, why? Why would I not pray it again? I said, because I say God want a year. I don't see why I should repeat the prayer after 3 years. Break the chain of generational curses. You see that when we don't pray, break out for night, devil will carry welder. Come weld the chain, join again. So I told her, no, I'm not praying it again. I just turned 44. I haven't prayed it since I was 17 again. Again, because I believed completely, you know. I shifted from that thought process. When I moved to Lagos, sometime around 2004, I was there, I went to the China, So my mom came to visit and we were driving past Kudira Tapiola Way and she saw this Christian Center. She said, what kind of church is this? What kind of name is this? This church to just be playing in the church. You will know it's play and proof that is in their mind. So in my mind, I just registered, said, church, they will be playing. I said, I think that's just